All right, so here we are. This is wonderful stained glass windows that we discussed. It does have the original wood everywhere, which is a wonderful, wonderful thing, and unusual. A lot of people, you don't see this, and it's actually still stained. It's not even painted, which is amazing. The floors will need some attention. They do have, your typical fade and stain. Looks like they had rugs, but quite frankly, I don't see any issues there. Ceiling fan, good shape, newer. Let's take a look. I'm sure this is gonna be the bathroom. Yes, it is. So the bathroom is an old renovation, probably 80s, I would say, but appears to be functional. I mean, it would be up to you whether you wanted to do anything with it or not. Doesn't necessarily need it, but
People like that.
a lot of people are going back to that retro look anyway. All the wood, all the original wood in the kitchen still here. Does have your typical 1960s asbestos tiles, which don't let that freak you out, because actually,
These could be new.
they could be new. Now that my wife just pointed out that they could be the new version of the old linoleum. And again, do as much or as little as you want with this kitchen. It's move-in ready, technically. It's got all the requirements, but it's not very pretty. Just needs some, you could do a million things. It's substantially sized. Let's see if we can get out here. I'm gonna walk on this deck and see what that's about. Oh yeah, deck is sturdy. No issues. Needs a coat of stain for sure. The awnings could use a power washing, but no. So far, no signs of anything that's concerning to me.